Hey guys, Kyle here. Hope you guys all had a good Christmas. Got to spend some quality time with the family, laid low, as well as a good summer. I know it was different for all of us for sure with the times that we're living in. Just some small updates for what I got up to over the COVID break, we should call it, I guess, and Christmas as well. I was lucky enough to keep working full time through COVID. My main gig is construction, so we were doing a big water line replacement for the city of Nelson, and that was deemed essential. Like I say, we were fortunate enough to keep working. So busy with that, kind of up until December. After that, we're on breakup now. So keeping busy though. Obviously, we got school. It was nice to see all you guys for the last couple of days with our live classes that we had. On top of that, I'm also an EMR first responder. So you can imagine in the last little while with all that's going on, I've been quite busy with that, doing lots of stuff with COVID and everything like that, and it's been an interesting ball game for sure. I can tell you that I'm sick of wearing a gown and N95 mask, but I guess that's what we're working with right now. Some fun stuff. I got a new shirt. I know, cheesy. I thought it was pretty cool. This is a Boxing Day shopping thing online, and it fits. So I was pretty pleased with that. Other than that, I had a good Christmas, spent some quality time with my family, and I bought myself a new Harley. So pretty excited about that. That's about it. Again, glad to see all you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed your time away, had a nice break, and look forward to gearing up for our last semester together. All right, talk to you later.